most of the people are somewhat overweight and they want to lose their weight. Friends, this become a hot topic in nowadays amongst youngsters. They want to lose their weight and they look gorgeous. They want to look gorgeous. Although men and women both go on a diet, but here I will primarily focus on women who want to look gorgeous and slim and trim. Friends, when you meet somebody and sometimes you want to mention that he or she looking very gorgeous and you notice that they have lost their weight. So how would you talk about dieting? What type of question you will cover? Now that I have covered some basic structure, some basic sentence, let's work on sentences. It will help you in discussion. When you are standing with your friends, in your group, with your colleagues, it will help you in discussion, in conversation. So let's start. Today's session is all about dieting. In this class, we are going to learn some basic sentences, some basic questions which you can ask with somebody. Let's begin our session. Friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. First question I have you lost your weight? When you meet with your friend after a long time and you notice something that he or she lost her or his weight, so you can ask, have you lost your weight? Hey, you are looking gorgeous. You are looking very thin. You are looking in a shape. So have you lost your weight? Second sentence, you can ask, have you been dieting? Have you been dieting? You can ask with your friend, have you been dieting? Hey, you look better. Did you lose your weight? Hey, you look better. Did you lose your weight? Are you trying to lose some weight? You can ask if you notice somebody is trying to lose some weight or they are eating some little amount of food. So you can ask, you look better. Did you lose your weight? Are you trying to lose some weight? Are you trying to lose some weight? You are eating some little amount. So friends, the next question, are you on a diet? You can ask, are you on a diet? Are you started to diet? So you are watching what to eat. You can ask, are you started to diet? So you are watching what to eat. You are looking for what to eat. How long have you been on a diet? If somebody says, yes, I am on diet, you can ask, how long have you been on a diet? The next question you may ask, how much weight? How much weight have you lost so far? How much weight you have lost so far? What type of diet are you on? You may ask, what type of diet are you on? If somebody says, yes, I am on a diet, I maintain my health and I am very conscious, you may ask, what type of diet are you on? And in answer, if you want to reply, or somebody can reply you in this way, I have been on a diet for 2 months. I have been on a diet for 2 months. The next answer, maybe I have lost 6 kg so far. I have lost 6 kg so far. So friends, these types of sentence you may ask when you are standing with your people, with your group, when you meet with somebody after a long time and you want to mention that he or she looks very gorgeous. So you may ask these types of questions and you may reply these answers. So friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson today. It was the lesson on diet. The next lesson will be come soon. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, bye.